Improve leg strength and flexibility. Lose back pain. 3 to 5 minutes a day. Enhance heart and lung function. Lose weight. Strengthen legs. Relieve numbness and pain in the hips and legs. Relieve lower back pain. Lose belly fat. It's very simple. Just takes 3 minutes a day. Get your blood flowing, energy flowing, and pain free. Improve thoracic flexibility and reduce pain. Relieve neck and shoulder pain. 24 to 36 times a day. Relieve neck and shoulder pain. Soothe nerves and relieve fatigue. 25 times each side. Improves spine flexibility and keeps the spine straight. Clean up bad mood and improve sleep quality. 9 times a day. Knee maintenance to help with injury recovery. Improves leg strength and stability. 24 to 36 times a day. Strengthen back muscles and prevent lumbar injuries. Lose back fat. Strong your kidney. Improves colitis. 36 times 1 sit, 3 sits a day. Keep your back straight and young. Relieve lower back pain. 37 times a day. Enhance leg strength and jumping ability. Improve heart and lung function. Lose weight. Lose belly fat. Strengthen legs. Strong kidney. Relieve stiffness and pain in the neck and shoulders. Keep your spine straight. Open the chest for healthy lungs and breasts. Lose weight. Relieve stiffness and pain in the neck and shoulders. Improve circulation quickly and relieve fatigue. Strong kidney. Strengthen your back and prevent lower back pain. Improve shoulder flexibility and reduce pain. 36 times a day. boost heart energy and reduce anxiety, improve circulation and lose weight, improve sleep, improve cardiovascular health and prevent heart disease, improve breast health, improve internal microcirculation and blood supply, improve shoulder and back microcirculation, relieve pain, 20 seconds one time, 3 times a day. Drowsy while driving. Please stop safely and then try 60 to 100 times. Do you want flexibility and agility in your legs? Do you want no pain in your joints? 36 steps, 1 sit, 3 to 4 sits every morning. Strong kidney. Build muscle and lose weight. 60 to 90 seconds, 1 sit, 3 to 4 sits every morning. Out of breath for stairs. Fat thinner imminence. 3 to 5 minutes a day. Improve constipation. Facial beauty whitening. At least 200 times a day. Feel restless, cannot sleep. Rub forward, not back and forth. 100 times each before sleeping. Vibrate your belly button. Improve constipation. Relieve dysmenorrhea. Stimulate life energy longevity. Improves all gastrointestinal and digestive problems. Promote blood flow from the cough to the heart and improve heart function. Improve circulation, relax blood vessels, reduce high blood pressure. Lose weight. Relieve stiffness and pain in the neck and shoulders. Relieve lower back pain. Improve kyphotic spine. Leg slapping. Improve leg microcirculation, relieve varicose veins and edema. Good sleep. Improve digestive function. 5 to 7 minutes a day.